You can use Canva to remove a background from an image, but you'll need to upgrade Canva Pro to access their background remover. If you're just looking for a quick fix, you can always sign up for Canva's free 30-day trial. But this is only a temporary solution and won't be helpful if you want to use this feature constantly without spending much time. A free alternative is using Adobe Express. Just search for Adobe Express Background Remover and you'll find the page. What's great about this tool is that it's completely free and doesn't compromise on image quality. You can simply edit your image and it will retain the original resolution. Plus, you can try the background remover without signing up. I'm going to use these two images as an example. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can download the edited images. To download, just click on the download button and save them to your folder. Now you're ready to use the photos with a transparent background without worrying about reduced quality or watermarks. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.